Hi darling, so welcome back. Going back to the office. So morning I got up and I had a thought in mind. Okay, so what is the thought about is like who is more affected after a breakup? Is it the boy or is it the girl who is more affected after the breakup? So to be frank, more affected is the girl.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Okay, so if it is a mutual breakup or let it be any kind of breakup, the most affected person is the girl only, always, bro, because we don't know that okay how much stress or how much pain they go through. So here I am not telling the boy will not be affected. The boy remains affected towards his life, entire life. Okay, so the girl gets more affected, but for a short time, a certain period of time only. Where you take the boy's case, he will be affected towards his life. So see, girls can move on very easily. First thing, they can move on really easily, because if you're not there to wipe your girl's tear, there will be another fucker who will be ready to wipe her tears out. This is the hard truth. Okay, so if you are not there, don't think that she is left alone. Okay, so there will be someone who will be ready to wipe her tear instead of you. So for boys it's not the same case. Okay, they cannot express their self out. First thing, they cannot explain to anybody what is happening. They cannot talk with family because family is dependent on them. Fourth, they cannot express to the friends also. If they are expressing to the friends also, it will become a joke of their life. He keeps everything inside him and he stays like this end of the day. So boys take an entire life to recover or to get recalled from that particular situation. But it's not the same for the girls. Max 2-3 months. Max 2-3 months. She gets another person who cares for her. Okay, who cared better than you, who gave better time than you, and who treated her special than you. So they move on really easily. But not the same for the boys. So I always tell, who gets affected the most is the girls. I agree. Who recovers soon is also the girl, but who takes the pain for a very long time is the boys, not the girls. So this is a quick video, so you guys can let me know about what is your way of thinking. So because this is my way of thinking, so I'm not judging anybody from my way of thinking to your way of thinking. So you can just let me know in the comment box what you think, who recovers the most, whether it's the boys or it's the girls, and who goes through a lot of pain, boys or girls, and who takes the maximum time to recover. So on my personal feeling, I have told the pain that is taken is the girls that take the most pain and they go through it. Boys take the pain but due to longer duration. So that's all for the day. A quick topic, just this got flashed in my mind like this, so I wanted to discuss with you guys. So I have just done a quick video. So let me know in the comment box, what do you think? Okay, see you at the other end. Bye.